evaluate the peristalsis sound, find the vessels murmurs, and find peritoneal friction rub. According to these three phases. First, auscultate the intestine along the colon, and then in Porges area, auscultation of the intestine, small intestine. Then vessels, two most important vessels in the abdomen we have to auscultate. Aorta, which divides into arteria iliaca communis, and renal arteries. And peritoneal friction rub. Only two places where it is possible to auscultate. Only near solid organs this peritoneal friction rub can be found. By the liver and by the spleen. Conclusion for this patient. Peristalsis is moderate, about 20-25 peristalsis sound per minute. No vessels murmurs and no peritoneal friction rub found. Easy? Not easy, but very easy. You need to know anatomy. This is a way of the colon. And here, the Porges area. Porges area. Up and left from the umbilical ring. Porges area for small intestines. Auscultation, palpation, pain in this area by inflammation of small intestine. Понятно? Как это очень стойкий patient. A real man. Стойкий сказать, стойкий. Устойчивый. Stable. Stable. Very stable. Good. That's all for abdomen. Now let's come to the liver. Complaints, interview, and inspection you must prepare. No sense to discuss if you didn't prepare. After complaints and inspection, what comes then? What is next? Huh? Because what? Конечно, percussion. There is no specific auscultation of liver or gallbladder. Cannot be. Only percussion and then palpation. Percussion of the liver is relatively easy. It begins with a thing you already know very well. You have to find the novel border of the right lung by linea medium clavicularis dextra. Where do we have to mark? Где? Не понял. Not under. Above. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth intercostal space. It is a bit lower, It's the lower border of the sixth rib. Very stable. Usually it is maybe a centimeter upper. To percuss through the sternum, using topographical percussion is not possible because the whole sternum is a big plesimeter and the sound will spread over the whole this area. So you just move this border, which you found, to the anterior median line. And then you percuss 3 borders, 3 lower borders. The one is at the same line. Another one is anterior median line. If you percuss louder here, the gas from the stomach and intestine will make resonance and you will not find the border. So percussion must be very accurate and silent. These are borders of the liver. Can you measure now the sizes of the liver? No. We cannot. It's not allowed now to measure the sizes. Why? Because percussion of the liver is not very precise. We have to check the results of percussion by palpation. Tell me please, did somebody of you play piano? Женхан, да? Да? You together?
No,
You both?
I play.
You? Did you play in 4 hands?
4 hands.
Or duet is it?
Did you play in 4 hands?
Duet means 2 people playing. Or 4 fingers or 4 hands?
No, not 4 fingers. I said 4 hands,
Yeah.
not 4 fingers.
Uh-huh.
Small difference. Did you play?
2 individuals play together in one piano.
4 hands.
How do I play 4 hands? I have only 2.
So never played.
With another person, yes. Myself, no.
It is called to play in 4 hands.
Yeah.
4 hands. So for him will be easier to palpate liver. For all other students, it will be more difficult because you need to understand palpation of the liver must be performed in 4 hands. 4 hands. Or using 4 hands. Is this clear? How do you understand this? Can you understand this? But you played
Yeah.
in 4 hands.
I don't quite understand.
You played for the piano using 4 hands. Yes? What does it mean?
I don't understand.
Ну, кто понимает? Ну, what does it mean, 4 hands? Кани, молодец. Four hands means two persons.
But the sensitivity of 2 persons is different.
Except for the case you have two another hands in your pocket to use. Huh? So usually it's two persons. And what does it mean in our situation, two persons?
Me, patient, and you.
Oh, very good. We have already two persons, patient and me. So we have already four hands. So we can start palpation of the liver, right? How?